Next, we'll move on to the next problem in illustration number 2. In previous problem, we have found out the profit of the business. In this, we are going to see about how the loss incurs in a business. The same way, they have given the capital on 1st April. It refers to opening capital. Capital on the 31st refers to the closing capital, and additional capital introduced during the year and drawings during the year. The same format which we have followed in the illustration 1, we are going to make it out here also. First thing, format is closing capital. The amount is given as 1,50,000. Next, add drawings. Drawings amounted to 30,000. When you add this, you will get an 1,80,000. Next is the less additional capital. It is 25,000. So 1,80,000 minus 25,000, 1,55,000. Next comes your answer will be adjusted closing capital. Next, less opening capital for the year, it is 1,60,000. Please note down this. Here adjusted closing capital is 1,55,000, but the opening capital is 1,60,000. So here the capital is less, but the opening capital is more. When this comes, it refers to a loss of the business. This is the answer for it, loss incurred during the year. Next comes your illustration number 3, which is an entirely different problem compared to the illustration number 1 and 2. In this, from the following details, calculate the missing information. Missing information refers to anything may be asked. They may ask to find out the drawings or the additional capital or the opening capital or profit, but all the other informations will be given. They are asked to find the one informations. When we are following the missing information, we have to keep it in mind only one thing, that is follow the opposite format. Opposite format, this is the actual format. When we are going to find the missing information means we are going to make the opposite format. It refers to, if you are going to add the thing means just you have to minus it. If you are going to minus the thing means you are going to add it. For example, if you are going to find the drawings here, the amount is not given means we have to follow the opposite format I said. You start from here, from the bottom to the upward flow. It is given it as a less. When you are moving from the downward, you have to follow it is a plus. Here it is a less. We have to make it as a minus. It is add. You are going to make it as a plus. This is the opposite format you are going to make it out. In these illustrations, we are going to calculate the missing figure. First, you have to know what is missing there. In this, closing capital, additional capital, drawings during the years, and opening capital is missing and loss for the year. Closing capital here refers to the 1,30,000, and drawings they have already given it is a 30,000. Just we are going to make it as a 2,20,000. Here we can easily find out the additional capital they are already given. So it is 50,000. When we minus it, we will get an 1,70,000. This information is hidden. We are going to find this information only. But you got a clue that is a loss for the year. Loss refers to the always will represent a loss in the form of a sign as a minus only. The information is first actually the missing information is this. So 1,70,000 minus 40,000. As already I said, when you are going to calculate the missing information, we are going to follow the opposite format. Opposite format here refers to less. So opposite is a plus. So 1,70,000 plus 40,000 refers to the 2,10,000. This is the missing information, that is opening capital, what we are going to make it out. And before making out this, I will say some of the key points what we have learned today's lesson, that is double entry system. Double entry system, it is a best example is the journal. That is every debit there is an equal credit. Capital, it is you know that it is an initial investment of the business. In this chapter we have learned about the additional capital. Additional capital refers to initial capital plus extra amount introduced during the businesses. And the question which is asked, what is the reason behind for the additional capital to be introduced? There may be so many reasons for the additional capital to be introduced: to start up the new unit, or to innovate the new unit, to make over the new advertisement, or any other thing. For this purpose, they may introduce the additional capital of the businesses. Next, what is an opening capital? Opening capital refers to the 1st April. Why we have mentioned it as an 1st April means the financial year starts from the 1st April to the 31st March. If it is going to be the calendar year, it is the 1st January and the 31st December. In this, opening capital is 1st April and closing capital is 31st March. From this, we have learned about how to calculate the statement of profit or loss during the year of the business only we have seen about. Thank you.